Sending money to a Cash App from a debit card is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, launch the Cash App on your mobile device. After that, tap on the Balance tab, which is typically located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Balance tab, you will see an option labeled Add Cash. So, simply tap on it. Now enter the amount of money you want to add to your Cash App balance from your debit card. After that, tap on the Add button or a similar option to proceed. When prompted to choose a payment method, select debit card or credit card. Input the required details of your debit card, including the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing zip code. After entering your card details, review the information to ensure accuracy, and then confirm the transaction. Depending on your bank's security settings, you may need to verify the transaction with a one-time password, which is sent to your registered mobile number. Once verified, the transaction will be processed, and the designated amount will be added to your Cash App balance. After the transaction is completed, you can verify that the funds have been successfully added to your Cash App balance by checking the app's balance.